to Pouse around the house. Now, I'm in the middle of removing some tiles and thought actually this might be a good little video to show you how I remove them. Quick and easy. It makes a bit of a mess, but usually does a pretty good job. So here we go. So I like to use my multi-tool. If you look at that cutter there, it's actually called Work Zone, and I think this was from Lidl or Aldi. And this one is called Carbide Grit. And the beauty of this is you can put it on and you can sort of roll it back and forth on the grout like that. So I'm going to show you now. So first of all, I'm going to place that into my multi-tool. In case you wonder which multi-tool I'm using, this is the Makita LXT. I obviously use this because all the batteries and tools I own are Makita, so it makes sense to keep them all the same. But you could use this with any multi-tool. Now we're going to turn it on. We're going to work it through this tile grout and see if we can remove the tile. So goggles on, ear defenders on, and off we go. Now you can see that one just fell off on its own, or you can use a little tool like this. And there we go, tile off. Now notice there I wasn't doing the neatest job. I had this basin stand there, so I had to put it at an angle. But if you've got plenty of room, you can basically rotate this back and forth like that, using the curve of that blade, and then you can get either end in if you need to, at that angle, or at that angle, or at that angle, whatever you need to do to get them out. Now I'm not being too fussy here because I'm actually getting rid of these tiles. However, if you want to reuse the tiles you're taking off, as long as the grout line is bigger than the cutter on the end of your multi-tool, and you go through it nice and carefully and make sure you don't chip any of the tile, then you can actually remove these tiles and reuse them. All you have to do is just gently scrape off all the tile adhesive off the back of the tile. Now if you're lucky and you've got ones like me that has been used probably with a pre-mix adhesive many years ago, then it's likely to come off quite easily. There are better quality adhesives now and they may give you a bit more grief, but either way, give it a go. These were probably about £3 for a pack of 4 different varied blades in Aldi, Lidl, or you can get them in Screwfix and places like that, a bit more expensive, and it really does do a good job. Bit noisy, bit messy, but gets the job done. So sorry for such a quick, hectic video, but I'm in the middle of a job and just thought I'd quickly show you what I'm doing, hence the sound quality and the picture quality is probably pretty poor. Anyway, if you have found that useful, can you please give it a like? If you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications? I've been Pouse around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.